तो राइट नाउ ये हालत है मेरे रूम की। एंड एज यू नो दैट आई लव गिविंग माई रूम फ्रेश लुक्स, और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है चेंजमेंट, और इससे आपकी भी लाइफ में बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रेश फीलिंग आती है। ये मेरी पर्सनल फीलिंग है। और एंड आई रियली फॉलो इस बात पे रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर जी को। उनको भी एकदम सेम स्टील पिक्चर और बिल्कुल वैसा का वैसा बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं था, तो वो भी हमेशा अपने घर में चेंजमेंट के लिए बोलते थे और चेंजमेंट करते थे। और आई रियली रिस्पेक्ट हिम अ लॉट, ही इज़ रियली माई इंस्पिरेशन। सो मैं भी बिल्कुल उसी तरह की हूँ, और मुझे भी पता नहीं क्यों मुझे थोड़े दिन बाद क्लमजी फीलिंग होते रहती है, तो आई गिव न्यू लुक्स टू माई रूम, और इससे आपकी लाइफ में भी बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रेशनेस आ जाती है। आई डू बिलीव दैट। तो चलिए, टाइम है एक नए लुक्स देने के लिए मेरे बेडरूम को। और अगर आप आइडिया ढूंढ रहे हैं कि आप अपने रूम को किस तरह से मेकओवर करेंगे, देन मेक श्योर आप मेरे ये वीडियो को देखते हैं, पूरा देखिए एंड तक। आपको आशा करती हूँ बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आएगा। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं।
I have a request to make. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also like this video and share with your friends and family. It really means a lot to me. It gives me so much of motivation to work more harder for my channel, and also to give you loads and loads of ideas for budget interior decor. So please, if you're watching me for the first time, don't leave without subscribing and liking this video. Thank you so much in advance, and God bless you all. Enjoy this video and also follow me on Instagram. Just Also, I'll be sharing 2 looks of my room, one for the night time and one from the morning time. So please comment and tell me which look you like the most. I am loving both the looks. The night one, the evening one feels so glamorous and so soft and satiny, and the morning one feels so fresh and gives you energy to work. And the night look, you feel like taking rest and feel the breeze of the air that is flowing through my room. So don't forget to watch the last before and after pictures also, just to remind you that what it was and what I have transformed it into. So keep watching till the end. baby Buzo was trying to go to the window, but he was scared as there was a lot of wind flowing around, and the curtains that were like, you know, was blowing so high up with the flow of the air. And then he was looking at me. So I encouraged him. I told him that yeah, you can do, and he was really listening to me, and he's such a good, nice boy. So he listened to me, and he tried, and then he went off to the window. So that's his place where he sits all the whole day, and you know, he loves environment actually. So yeah, as you can see that the room is looking much bigger and brighter, and oh my god, such nice air is flowing around the whole room, and this making me feel so good, and loads of fresh oxygen and air in the morning is so much good for your health. You can see he's sitting over there, and that's his favorite place, you know. He loves sitting there. And also he keeps an eye to like all over the place.